Oh my goodness. Ooh. Are you on?
Oh, I'm standing right beside you. I'm good.
My goodness.
It was
Ooh. Mm.
Grandpa, do you want me to pull this up a little bit farther?
I can help you.
No, sit right there.
Turn your light on there inside on the post. You can see just how far to go.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll wait till I'll wait till the next one comes. Well, I feel like as soon as I turn around, it's gonna go off. Okay. Here, I'm gonna do.
Oh, oh, honey. Oh, boy.
Good job, Will.
That's good.
Woo!
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Woo!
Nice.
Yes.
Hope that ain't the sheriff coming.
No. He's sleeping.
It's been a nice night for it.
Yes.
You want to sit down?
And no, I'm good. It's not raining. Remember how they said it was supposed to rain later?
Supposed to?
Well, it's not.
May I miss it?
Mm-hmm. That's pretty. Oh,
It's nice. Thank you.
It's a fun day to celebrate.
You want up here?
No, Grandpa, sit down.
Why don't you sit down, honey?
I guess I didn't think about it.
There's room for you too, honey.
Oh, I'm good, Grandma. Thank you. Thank you. No.
You're a little girl.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Yes, you
Thank
are.
you. Well, this is cozy now.
Are you warm enough?
Oh, yeah, I am. Whoa! Oh my word!
Wow!
Oh my word! That scared me to death.
Blow us away!
Woo!
Oh, was he out there
Yes.
in the field?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Willie!
Well, you want to stay tonight? We got a bed.
Look, look.
Woo!
You don't want to drive home tonight.
Mm.
We got a bedroom upstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs.
Mm-hmm. I'm not sure what they're doing. I'll have to ask them.
Woo! Woo! Oh,
That
Pretty.
same thing a year ago with your pictures showed the old chicken house down your roof.
Mm-hmm. It did, didn't it?
Uh-huh. Nothing probably will do the same thing.
woo!
Woo! That was pretty.
Oh, how pretty. How did they get those up in the air? Those boomers.
Gunpowder, honey, pushes it up.
Hmm. Woo.
Wow.
Woo. Oh.
Pretty.
Oh.
Are they in the car there someplace?
They're in the back of the truck
Mm.
on the.
No,
You
on the
see
back.
them?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, I do.
See what? Aww. This is a nice place to do this.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Must have a pretty
Uh-oh.